Close your eyes. Take some deep breaths in through your nose. Then breathe out. Feel the air filling your body as you breathe in. Feel the air leaving your body as you breathe out. Slowly relax the tension in your body, your arms, your hands, your fingers. Unclench your jaw. Feel your cheeks relaxing. Feel your tongue relaxing in your mouth. Drop the muscles in your forehead. Each time you breathe out, try and relax all those little muscles in your face. Okay, so if you're sitting or lying comfortably, or even standing comfortably, what we're going to do now is do some rhythmic counting exercises. So we're going to breathe in for the count of 4 and breathe out for the count of 6. And breathe in 2, 3, 4, and out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in 2, 3, 4, and out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and deep breath in 2, 3, 4, and slowly out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in again 2, 3, 4, and slowly out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please feel free to repeat the video if you feel like it would help. Thank you for listening.